Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to enter a new line in ChatGPT. So it's very simple guys. First thing you need to do is go over to your ChatGPT, and then when you are here, as you can see, when I write something, let's say hello, and then I press enter, it will send a message. So what if I don't want it to send a message and I want it to enter a new line, so line break or something like that. So it's very simple guys. I will show you right now how to do it. You just write something and then you simply hold shift and then enter. And as you can see, when you're holding shift and enter, you can write space between lines like this. It's that simple guys. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.